Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to transfer from Trust Wallet to Binance. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to your Trust Wallet right here, open it up, and then if you want to transfer, all you have to do is press the send button right here and search the cryptocurrency that you want. Let's just say BTC right here. So I don't have anything that's available as of now, but if you're sending BTC, you would want it in the BNB Smart Chain right here, or let's just say DAI or anything else, just USDT or actually anything else. So let's just look for something that's available right here. But basically, all you have to do is press the send button, and then you'll be able to have a wallet address right there where you can actually input here in your Binance, and then here press your deposit basically, and then Bitcoin, and then you'll have to select the network that we're going to be using from the Trust Wallet. So if you're using Lightning Network, select that also in your own Trust Wallet so that you won't have any problem. So Lightning Network right here, and then the amount 40, and then you will actually be credited for this. So I don't know why it did that. So it's just supposed to say deposit. Let's just use USDT instead. So right here, USDT instead. So you have to confirm the network right here using your BEP20 because they use BNB Smart Chain using their Trust Wallet. So copy the address, go back right here, and then here, just press send, and then paste, and then the amount of BNB that you want to send, and you'll be on your way. And there you go.